Hello and welcome to another vlog. I know a lot of people don't like the way I say hello, but you're gonna have to live with it because that's how I say hello. I was just filming a video and I feel so drained because posing for pictures and taking like the perfect picture is so exhausting. It takes a lot of the muscle power to like constantly smile for a picture. I'm not complaining, like I love taking photos. Now there is no way of saying that without sounding vain and stupid and self-obsessed, but that's what YouTube is, guys. You gotta take photos for thumbnails and you have to make the thumbnail engaging or else ain't no one gonna watch your video. It's Sunday, actually no, it's a Monday and it's Kashmir Day. I'm gonna go down to edit a video which I will be uploading tonight, so hopefully you've watched it. It's probably gonna be how to make money from YouTube, and that is supposed to be a very helpful video, so if you haven't seen it, go watch it now. And it is day 3 currently and I am going strong with these earrings. Literally have been wearing these with every single outfit. I feel like every outfit that I have, these earrings go with, so money well spent. I got them from Mantra, just by the way, if you were wondering. I'm wearing this top that I got from Outfitters for Bubs, but she didn't wear it, so I'm wearing it. And I'm wearing these really cozy leggings, and these are actually from Ideas. This jacket I got from Forever 21. And how I got this jacket was my brother was coming in from Canada, so I got it delivered to his place and he carried it for me because there isn't a lot of options for you to get Forever 21 in Pakistan. You know, you have to kind of improvise. I've got my Daniel Wellington watch on, which I have a 15% discount code for, so check the description box if you want to get this. Now it is time to leave. Let's go. Guys, look at this fish. Basically we're at charcoal and they have like a food festival going on. Guys, this is where the pasta stand is. They have all sorts of pastas. This is my favorite pasta. Ma, what's your favorite?
I know, this is mine favorite.
I love that pasta. Yeah. I also like the elbow macaroni. ये corn है actually. Elbow लग रहे थे मुझे. Guys, what's up with the size of the chicken at charcoal? They used to be so much bigger and now they're like tiny. So I've just finished eating. I literally cannot eat anymore. So full. Demo, this cake is for you, mate. Raffaello cake, 2.5 pounds. Can't believe there is a cake for Raffaello. Demo loves this stuff. I'm getting this one, which is the Belgian chocolate. Hello, I'm back home. It is a Tuesday. आज finally काम का दिन था, मतलब काम पे गई थी आज मैं. And I had a Kit Kat. I love Kit Kats. Like Kit Kats just always put me in a really good mood. I've got my Daniel Wellington watch on. How sick are you of me showing this watch? But I absolutely love it. I've actually received a couple of PR packages from Agha Noor, so I'm gonna show you what they sent me. Just hold on. This is the first top that they've sent me and it is a silk number, and oh my god, this is so pretty. Like this detailing, so freaking nice. And this is the second dress. I love the pattern, it's perfect, and this is silk. It's so freaking soft and the embroidery on it is like really pretty. It reminds me of a Balochi Kam style dress. Hi guys, so we are at Meet the Cheese and we did not think to make reservations, so we're waiting and the waiting time is like 20-25 minutes. Aliza, are you happy about waiting?
Also 20-25 minutes.
You have to wait for 25. Are you okay with waiting?
Am I okay with what?
Waiting.
I'm here now.
If it's at 3:30,
Yeah.
then
Here's the menu.
looks
Looks nice.
Oh,
What is that?
this is what Meet the Cheese looks like.
Just by you don't want to be in the video?
Hi.
Hi.
I'm honored. Yeah, I'm honored to be on
so excited for
Anushae's vlog for the first time.
And are you excited for the food?
Yeah.
We've also ordered like really nice drinks, sangria and Brazilian punch. So I'm excited about those. The starters have arrived, and I'm so excited. Mushrooms and the chili poppers. I'm gonna have one. So the sangria is here. Looks very good. Everyone's ordered sangria except for Aliza. But it's really good. Yeah. Guys, we have finally gotten our seats. And we are very happy about that. Aliza is also very happy. Everyone is happy. You're happy, Manur?
Yes.
Very happy?
Very happy.
And Haris is the birthday boy today. He's treating us.
Oh no, sorry, I'm good.
Thank you,
Oh, wow. That looks insane.
We have stopped Manur from eating because
Guys, नहीं बोला करो.
girls, chicks,
Guys,
guys, this is really good.
watch the
And
video?
So is that.
What if we watch this
Look
video
at
and
this.
here's
Look, that is that good. Guys, the cake is here now.
Yeah, guys,
Girls,
bola karo
chicks,
yaar.
the girls, chicks, guys and girls. The cake is here, and this is
Let's
the ice
dive
cream.
in.
Yes, please.
100% श्योर नहीं थी इस आउटफिट के बाद. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. ये और नहीं.
Our chocolate stash is definitely growing. So my sister Bubs got this. I got these, and we have some more chocolates over there.
Not gonna lie, the only thing I've gained this past January is weight by eating so many chocolates. I placed an order at Zoosh Makeup and I got a couple of their things which I will try in a video and you will soon see. So yeah. But I did want to share with you some of the things that I've been really enjoying, and one of the things is I have been seriously loving these. I got sent these by TreeHouse.pk. These are 100% alcohol free. And I never used makeup wipes, but I have literally converted. So that's one holy grail product right there. I never really used makeup wipes because I always thought they dried out my skin. But since I've gotten those, I have been using them quite a lot. So if you didn't know that, now you do. And if you didn't want to know that, and now you do, then I do apologize. But a wise man once said, knowing more is always good. And I just made that up, so yeah.
We just got done filming a video, and this is like the stuff we got sent. And guess what Anushae did while we were taking thumbnails? She did this.
I didn't do it on purpose.
But you did it.
Oh, hi Bubs.
Hello.
What's up? Why do you look taller than me?
Because I am taller than you.
This is so sad. She's 10 years older than me and she's taller.
Younger.
Yeah, 10 years younger. So, today we're going to Mocca and I'm starving. I've only had breakfast, haven't had anything.
No, you had brunch.
I had brunch, but I didn't eat my whole brunch because I was too full.
It's not your fault.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you like my outfit. These jeans are from Topshop.
Those shoes?
Those shoes are from Bata. This top is from Splash.
And the necklace.
This necklace is from Outfitters.
And the rings.
My watch is
from-
a Daniel Wellington watch. And my rings are from Outfitters. Actually, this one is from Gulf and this one is from Outfitters. And my nail polish is this. Maybelline. Kuch nahi choda, sab bata diya.
Present ballin'.
What are we representing?
I don't know.
Where is your outfit from, Bubs?
That Ocean Mall shop, I forgot the name.
B1 Shop 1.
Yeah, and these are from Khadi. I'm not wearing socks, so I can't say that.
Hello,
And
Bubs.
and those shoes are from Adidas.
Oh, and this bag is from an Instagram page, which I will link down below. Hello. Guys, we're at Mocca and we are just going through the menu to see what we want to get. Bubs, I have just received the menu and I am also having a little look, so we'll update you once we order something. Okay, it's taken me a while to decide what I want to get, but I think that I have finally decided I'm going to get the Parmesan chicken, which is the stuffed crespel with chicken and Parmesan cheese. What are you getting?
I'm getting pasta picorn.
Pasta picorn. What's mom getting?
Chef's special chicken.
All right, so we've sorted out our order, and I really want to try the sweet stuff. Like, look at the dessert menu; it's really good. Amor, what have you ordered in the drinks?
Yeah, the berry white chocolate frappe.
So the food has arrived, and
Don't touch it
this is the Parmesan chicken. This is mine. This is Temu's. Temu's, you can start now. This is Bubs's, and that's my drink.
Give me my phone now.
Happy with that, but this looks good. Okay guys, time for verdict. The food was really good. I enjoyed my dish, but it was so much that I couldn't finish it. Bubs liked her dish. Bubs, out of 10? 10. Temur, out of 10, your dish?
My dish. 8.5 ya nahi.
Amma, out of 10,
10 on 10.
I'm gonna give mine an 8.5 as well. Drink is a 10 on 10. I love the drink. Temu, the drink?
8.
Guys, the macaroons are here and I'm super excited. I've ordered the cookies and actually the strawberries and cream on this one. Temu has ordered this one and Mums and Bubs have ordered this one. Hi guys, so this vlog is coming to an end and I do apologize that I look absolutely horrendous right now and totally different to what I looked like in the start of the vlog. There's a story behind why I look homeless. So if you want to know, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you liked about this vlog and if you're excited for the next week's video. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. Bye!